In this video, we're going to focus on some of the benefits we get from additional automation on top of the Notion project management framework. Let's start by assuming we have a customer who creates an email. They obviously send that email to our staff, who can do whatever they want with it, including forwarding it to an email hook that will start the automation process. Make.com will take the email and send it to OpenAI. OpenAI will process it, identifying both the tasks within the email and a summary for us. At that point, it will create a note for us inside of Notion, as well as saving the summary from the email message. Automation will then create the individual tasks that were extracted from the email, and it will make the links between the notes and the individual tasks. Now, since the note obviously came from a known customer, we'll link the note to that customer, and that also means that the customer has an interest in making sure that those tasks are completed. Finally, we'll make the staff who forwarded the email the default owner of the tasks that were created, and of course you can change that later. In the event that there were also projects associated with this customer, we'll make some additional links so that the note and tasks are associated with the project. With that basic understanding of the process, let's go through a live demo. Here we have a sample email, and I am going to forward it to the custom email address that is being monitored. After processing, we see that the contents of that email have been placed into a note. 3 tasks were created associated with that note, and we have a summary of the note's contents. At the bottom is the original email text that was forwarded to Notion. And if we look at the contact record, we can see all notes that have been entered or forwarded so far regarding that client and any open tasks that the client has so far. All 3 of these tasks were just created by forwarding that email. Lastly, since the client that this email was forwarded from is already in the system and part of an existing project, the tasks that were created are also automatically associated with the project that client is working on.